Welcome to Vegan Finds, where we're going to turn this into... Okay, welcome back to Vegan Finds. This is the Thanksgiving edition, but this is a pantry essential. This is one of those vegan items in your toolkit that you absolutely would go back to time and time again, and that is making vegan ricotta. I know it sounds crazy and not possible, but I'm here to tell you that using some tofu, some noosh, oregano, some vegan parmesan, and some garlic powder, you can make yourself a really good ricotta vegan style. And I will say that I don't really like it as a cheese. It's not my favorite. As a matter of fact, I don't like it at all. But when Doris made this, she concocted it herself, and I have to tell you, I was changed. I said, "Oh my God, this is delicious. I like this. It's a great way to get some protein into your diet, and it's super duper easy. I mean, this is like not rocket science at all. I'm going to show you how to do it right now." You're going to do this in your food processor. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to drain your tofu. We are not pressing this tofu, and we are using firm tofu, not extra firm and not silky, but firm tofu. They also have medium firm tofu. I don't think we've tried with medium firm, but I know for a fact that the firm tofu is the way to go. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to drain that right now, and I'm going to get out our food processor. What we're going to do is we're going to just take our tofu block and we're just going to crumble it up here into chunks to get it into our food processor bowl. Obviously, we're going to be blending this, so it doesn't really matter. There's no special way to do this. Just break it up and get it in your bowl.
So, after much discussion over oregano, listen, if I measured it, then I wouldn't. So it winds up being to taste, and for me, like that's a big thing. It's to taste. So it's probably
Start out with less.
Yeah, start out with less. I would say go like 2 tablespoons.
And blend it?
And blend it. He didn't put the noosh in yet?
No, I did not.
Okay. So the Parmesan cheese, can I have a measuring cup?
Yes. What size?
I just need 1/4 of a cup.
Okay, 1/4 of a cup. All right, shut off.
1/4 of a cup of the Parmesan. Oh, please tell me we have another thing of noosh.
Yes, we do.
Okay. I almost had a stroke. And 1/4 of a cup of noosh. Let me get the lemon juice, because you need like 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in here.
And that gives it that
Tang.
right, the ricotta.
The tang. Lemon juice. Okay. Alright, so the lemon juice is in. Now we're just going to blend it. So you can add 2 cloves of garlic or
Garlic powder.
2 tablespoons of garlic powder.
Ooh, sorry. I accidentally just hit her with a broom. Or was it?
It wasn't an accident. We know that. Alright, let me get the garlic powder in there. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on camera. I grew up in a house where if my mother needed a measuring cup, like I say, like a cup, she would take out a mug and she'd measure a mug of flour. So measuring things is not something that I'm very good at. It's more like to taste, to look, to feel. And I realize that makes me a lousy on-camera cook. But I'm trying. Okay, so we're going to blend this now. And he's going to show you what it looks like. Okay, midway through the blending process, you're going to want to scrape down your sides. Because, you know, otherwise, it's going to be weird.
You're going to mush on the bottom.
Right, you're going to mush on the bottom and
lumps on top.
Lumps on top. All right, Stu.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to add some salt to this. It's just about ready. Definitely need some salt. So I'm adding...
half a teaspoon.
I would say that was a teaspoon.
Okay.
So I added a teaspoon. We're going to blend this up a little bit more. We'll see where we're at, flavor-wise.
Oh, I got all the salt.
Yeah, no kidding. Okay, so this is just about the right consistency. I took a taste. The salt is good at this point. I think it needs just a little bit more, so I'm going to give it a little squirt of lemon juice. And I'm going to add just another, probably tablespoon of noosh to this. And again, sometimes the different tofus, you know, take the flavors differently, so you kind of have to adjust the seasonings. Now, when you're making this, this is something that Doris didn't mention, is you don't need to add the oregano to start, but since we're doing a couple different dishes that are going to require the oregano, and we use that for like lasagna, for manicotti, a couple other dishes, we start with the oregano. If you want to do a sweet dish or something that's not needs an Italian kind of lean to it, omit the oregano to start, and then figure out what kind of flavorings you want to incorporate into your ricotta. I mean, this is basically, it's tofu, so it's a blank slate. You can flavor this however you like, and that's the beauty of this. But I'm telling you, it tastes great. I can eat it actually by the spoonful, which is gross to think about, but good on the taste buds.
Yeah, it tastes right to me. And I'm on camera saying that.
Awesome. I did a good job.
You did an okay job.
So filled with compliments.
And I...
So,
okay.
why don't you finish it off?
What do you want finishing off?
Well, this is the basics. So you can say, do you like this recipe?
You can finish it off.
You're there.
Oh, okay.
She's too busy stuffing her face. So you move out of the way because I need this for a recipe. Did you hear that? I hope you didn't, because that's an NSFW alert. That's the second one this week. Oh my gosh. She's playing food Jenga right now with some dishes. So, if you like these recipes, please click subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends. That's important as well. Also, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on TikTok. We have 2 subscribers. I'm gunning for 4 by the end of this week. 4. That's what I want to double every week. So by the time I die, I have 100. Wait. Oh, also follow us on Instagram. We're Vegan Finds, not with a Z. I know how I sound. Oh wait, no, that's you.
That's me.
I enunciate correctly. So.
Oh, please. Somebody in the house occasionally says "I dear."
I've never.
And it's not me.
Excuse me. I've never said that word in my entire life. You must be listening to my dad speak.
Ooh, them fighting words.
He knows he says it. So, be healthy, be happy, be safe, and we'll be back with some more great recipes.